Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the account and turning the assistant on. Sign into Gmail and go straight to Settings to enable the AI Assistant toggle. This gives the feature access to draft suggestions and summaries. Once done, grant the minimal permissions requested, microphone for voice drafts, and language preferences so responses fit your tone. Make sure your browser or mobile app is updated. Outdated versions can block features. You're now ready to create your first draft with AI suggestions. You'll now use the assistant inside Compose to generate a usable draft. Click Compose and choose the AI Suggestions button or the Help Me Write option. Then tell the assistant why you're writing, the desired tone, and any specific points to include. The assistant generates a draft, read it, then edit for accuracy and voice. Make sure to add attachments, recipients, and subject line manually if not auto-filled. If you need iterative changes, ask the assistant to shorten, formalize, or add bullet points. Finish by reviewing and personalizing the AI output so it represents you accurately. You must fact-check names, dates, and any claims, then adjust tone and remove any unwanted phrasing. Once satisfied, add recipients and send, or save as draft for later. If the assistant misbehaves, try regenerating the suggestion, using undo, or saving the draft and retrying. If problems persist, clear your browser cache, update the Gmail app, and re-enable the AI toggle in Settings. This fixes most connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.